How to earn money with insurance. Choose an area to search. Insurance agencies. Near Faisalabad, choose area. Premium insurance. EFU insurance, car insurance. Insurance.
Insurance.
An arrangement by which a company or the state undertake to provide a guarantee of compensation for the specified loss, damage, illness, or death in return for payment of a specific premium. Many new borrowers take out insurance against employment or sickness. A thick providing protection against a possible eventually jacket were hung on the back of the chairs. Insurance against the encounter with air. Translation and definitions. What are the four types of insurance? General insurance overcome home, your travel, vehicle and health. From fire, blood, accident, man-made disasters and theft. Different type of general insurance include motor insurance, health insurance, travel insurance and home insurance. What do you mean by insurance? Insurance is a contract represented by a policy in which an individual or entity receives the financial protection or against the losses from the insurance company. The company pools silence risk to make the payment more affordable for uninsured. Which which insurance policy is best in Pakistan? Jubilee Life Insurance. Jubilee Life Insurance associated its brand with the world happiness and that too for all right reasons. EFU Life Insurance. Adam G Life Insurance Company, Alfala Insurance Company, State Life Insurance Corporation of Pakistan. What are the three main types of insurance? Life insurance, as named suggested, life insurance is insurance on your life. Health insurance. Health insurance is bought to cover medical costs for expensive treatments. Car insurance, education insurance, home insurance. Insurance importance, type and benefits. Clear tax. What type of insurance is best? Term life insurance plan. Term insurance is purest and most affordable form of life insurance in which you can opt for a high life cover for a specific period. What is insurance policy in simple word? Insurance is a term in law and economics. It is the something people buy to protect themselves from losing money in exchange for this. If something bad happens to person or thing that is insured, the company that sold the insurance will pay money back. Why insurance is needed? Need for insurance. Insurance plans with help will help you pay for medical emergencies, hospitalizations, contractions for any illness or treatment, and the medical requirements in future. The financial loss of family due to the uncomfortable death or of soul